Okay. So everybody who's watching this video, it's 1:30 in the morning, so if I look like shit, excuse me. To you guys in Florida, California, very jealous on you right now. For the simple reason why, I want to show you what we're going through in Chicago, okay?
And it ain't gonna stop till
And it's
tomorrow
not going to stop till tomorrow.
at 6
okay?
p.m.
Check that out. We are literally barricaded.
In snow. Eesh. My bushes used to be there.
Now wait, I want to show them something. Okay,
You can't make it that long.
I'm not. This is 1 foot
Move to that.
and a half. But you have to understand that there's a stoop
And
here
that's a big
that goes
snow.
about a half a foot. So we are about
Who did that to
At
the
least 3
door,
feet.
Mom?
Go next to
right
it.
now.
Watch. This is how you could tell. Look at it too long.
Now,
He's almost. He's
next
freezing,
to-
Michael. He's freezing.
see?
That's a big snow.
That's a big snow.